Welcome back to day 2 of building my dream garage workshop for all my projects. So yeah, today we've got the Focus RS in here. We're not doing any work. It's just raining outside. It's really moody. But what we are going to do is get my Fiesta RS Turbo in here today, as well as another one. And then hopefully have a bit of a walk around what needs being done on the car. And then a full blog of our car being built. So stick around. This is something that you're not going to want to miss. And yeah, this is like an abandoned barn find Fiesta RS Turbo. It's going to need a hellish, as they say in Wales, hellish lot of work. It needs a bit of a fix. Bit more painting outside, I just need to fill the gaps in. Got a bit of deco on the wall, let's have a look. Brewster 2000, that's just my board, but we can go outside and stuff if need be. It's just hanging down the wall at the moment. Got the car in the garage. I have myself a bin. Okay, sound bar on the, well, there's a hook there, so I just put it up there for now. Got a few little tools up there, like I said. The RS looks so good under these lights. What else have I done so far? Got myself a bucket, so I can put some water in it because the toilet is currently, water's not plumbed in. Got myself some baby wipes, some bin bags, and some toilet roll. Yeah, so, and I got myself a high-vis jacket, and yeah, this, and you will see what this is for very soon. Fancy that, my old bumper. In fact, you know, look what state on that. It's because it's just been sitting there. Wow. Madness. Nice bit of, oh, excuse me, sorry. Nice bit of garage arc that, eh? Okay, so we need to get my Fiesta. There's a reminiscence of a ST170 gearbox and a bit of lube and subframe and steering rack there. Anybody need it? Fiesta door in a pearlescent paint of an RS Turbo. So yeah, right, let's have a look. So we got to cut all this down. We need to move this. Another Fiesta RS Turbo. This will be coming down today as well into my unit. SE. And then yeah, my Fiesta RS Turbo. Wow. So yeah, let's start doing a bit of work to get this out. With my new trusty, what do they call it now? Bloody Sepetias or something, is it? This is bogging everybody. It is stinking underneath here. I just hope the car moves. If not, then all fails. We do have a recovery truck to pull her out with. Okay, we'll time lapse the rest. Okay, so that's a start. Got this kind of area out. Imagine paying £70 odd for it. Oh Jesus, fuck, look at the size of that spider. I'm sure he was there last time. Yuck, let's get him gone. Right, so if anybody needs some Mondeo ST bumpers, we have these for sale. Fiesta Turbo bumpers up there, Fiesta doors. There's an Evo bonnet up there as well. I think it's off an Evo 8. Another Fiesta, which was one for an RS Turbo. XR2i, honestly it did not look like this before. Go back on your videos. So yeah, I need to get all this kind of sorted. These lights were beautiful once upon a time. Oh, my boot might be open, that's good. I need to climb in the back anyway so I can get the boot open and push it out. But yeah, I got to cut all this crap out. Just think, one day you will see this in a show and you'll be like, what the actual? Because it's not going to be anything like you've ever seen before. Actually, we have 24 bumpers and sea grey, I think. Where are they? ST170 bumpers available. Okay, so that looks a bit more free. So we do have access around the car. There's no more weeds and crap into wind around the back. Oh my god! So yeah, I'm gonna get the keys for it now. Look, I got a new boot in it. Bloody hell, it just goes to show how bad things can go when they're left. And I already started doing an underside restoration on this car. Look look, if you know me, you know we'll be done in no time anyway. That looks new, unless somebody's thrown something like that, because that wasn't there. Bastards. Okay, and again, all around here was done, so it's rusting, a bit frustrating, but yeah, look, we get a full tear down on the car. We know with this, that wasn't there, but that one was. Yeah, it can be saved. It's got a rebuilt engine, everything in there, which is probably hanging by now. I've got splinters, my fingers are thorns. But yeah, we'll get this out now. Go and get my keys. And do you know what? There's the other one. It probably would start, but I don't think I'm going to attempt it. Just not today. There we are, keys sorted. Let's hope it is in gear. Funny that, even the keys have gone rusty. Oh, she's open. I do have a booster pack. Oh my, oh, you're kidding me. That was a new alternator. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Well, nice hole there. Right, it is in neutral. Fuck's sake. Okay, let's try and rock this, shall we? Bugger. Imagine having a new refurbed Garrett on you, brand new starter motor, absolutely howling, yeah. Needs a good clean. All this was painting and done. Engine bay was good. It'd been done, tidied up and stuff. That was polished, all that kind of stuff. That didn't look like that. Dare I even look up here now? Oh my gosh, it's starting to go in there. So yeah, it was more when I thought this is worrying. The EDIS being full of all that, because it's probably not going to be wanting to start. Yeah, I'm annoyed. Right, come on Logan boy, let's get this going. Remember, rock it, right? Back for 1, 2, 3, go. Oh yes! Right, I'm not touching that steering wheel yet. Good, it's freed up. Big cred to Logan. So, shattered. Weddy bleed noses in Wales, I'm tired. But that's good, so we can get that other rust bucket out into my unit. And then let's get this one up and move some of the stuff around here. And yeah, we are, I didn't think I would move. So yeah, big credit to Logan. Prayer boy. So Logan is Matthew's son and he is Matthew's apprentice and he is going to be smashing out all the body work. And he doesn't know yet, he's going to be doing loads of work on here for me as well. And we're going to get all these cars out. We're going to get our SE sorted. If I have a scrap I can go. That makes me feel a bit happier about mine. So yeah, this is what tends to happen. Look at that. When you leave a car up here. Oh my gosh. Can't be happy with that, can you? Next job, cut all this up. Oh. Okay, so as I'm waiting on one of the boys now, so he can pull his car out and I'll pull mine out and we'll get him in a unit. It's not my first rodeo, this is my third Fiesta RS Turbo. My black one only used a day or two and then there's a bit of a breaker. But I was quite well known for my white one, which is a rep, which is a reshelled RS Turbo, because that's what we did then. And yeah, I'm going to put a little time lapse up of our one, or a video, a bit of B-roll, and just give you an idea of what this one's going to be like. But it's going to be way, way better. I've got up there what I want to do. It's going to be different. It's not going to go original. But first of all, like I said, we're going to concentrate on getting this car back into a roadworthy condition. We'll need a time belt done on it. I've got a new 4-pit padded clutch to go in it. It will have the engine bay, all the welding done, painting on it, and it's going to have like bespoke styling on it. Keep it for a year or two, enjoy it. Or do it and maybe raffle it off on a page or sell it. and invest the money back into myself and my family. I think that's the goal for it, 'cause I can't have all these cars. It'd be cool to have the 3-car garage, but ultimately I want to upcycle then and get myself an old Porsche naughty. Logan on a tease, and there's the Palmer, the fucking regulated farmer, trying to get his Fiesta going. He said his will drive area. I think he's lying. There's my little garage cat. Say hello. Hello. Come on. Hello. Go again, I'll tickle it. No, I've tried it. There we have it. There we are, you will drive it out to the other end. The quiet one. Fuck me, can you hear the fucking fuel pump? It sounds like a siren. I got a fuel back. Drift mode. There we are, there's one out. This is proving to be a bit of a problem. So we need to get down there and I have no brakes. This is my view. We're using a clutch to get down. This is absolute lethal. Fuck me, sunroof soaked me. Oh my god, that's hard work. Right, so yeah, we got the turbo down. And there she once lay. She was on hardcore. But yeah, that's a bit disappointing. And I think my car colour is toast. SC170 box, loom steering rack and all that kind of stuff. If anybody wants to buy it.
Straighten it up and then get out.
we are in. So yeah, that was eventful. Gosh, go small Fiesta. There's loads of room in there now, isn't there? Probably fit 3 Fiestas in the back. He's still having problems with that, and he's been warned if he gets brake fluid on my floor, there's going to be a charge. So yeah, the car is in here. Loads of work to be done. Obviously, since here, I'm not going to fuel pump. I reckon they stole my relay or something because he couldn't get that nail running recently. And we like that, we banter each other when we do these things. So I think, get a multimeter on it and find out what he's done. But yeah, start tearing the car down now, taking the doors off, taking the bonnet off, taking the glass out, Jesus, listen to that. That sounds really healthy, doesn't it? Yeah, so 2 Mercury grey Fiesta RS turbos. Oh, he's bringing her in, is he? He's bringing her in. Brum, brum, brum. Where's he going? Is he going to park in the middle apparently? Boom. So yeah, 2 Fiesta RS turbos in here. So yeah, I think with the smaller cars, you appreciate the actual size of the unit. So yeah, that one's going tomorrow. It's going at Palmer's and he's doing his restoration on it and I'm doing mine. I've got myself a year target. But yeah, there's loads to do on here, like I said. I think I'll take a screen out first. Shame's a heated screen and it's cracked. I'm going to be doing these bits of metal here, the inside. I'm going to start unloading everything out of the car that's in here. I'm going to start cutting the dead metal off and stuff. I've got arches to do. I've got spiders everywhere. I did see there's a spider up here somewhere on the inside when I was moving. Gosh, that's even coming off. Give that back to Matt. But yeah, start chipping away. I've got my boot and stuff to come in here. I've got my bumper and stuff, which you would have seen in other videos. But yeah, big things happening. Okay, so yeah, there's 1 Fiesta RS turbo. And there's 2 Fiesta RS turbos, yeah. The projects are on. So yeah, look, watch the channel, subscribe. A lot of people have been waiting for this. I have, literally. It's not a bad car. It's got a nice stance, the wheels are cool on it. It just needs a full tear down strip and just going through. Like I said, the floor, welding, front slam panel, all that kind of stuff. Yeah, I need to empty it out, get all my parts tidy, I think, and then start going from there. I got a game plan in my head what I want to do. I know it's running. I'll put a clip up of that at the end of this video. It's a good engine. It's just, yeah, I don't know. Something's obviously not causing that fuel pump to come on. But like I said, it could be something to do with that EDIS or anything. Look, we'll get there. We'll sort it out. But look, click sub.